The role of artificial intelligence, AI, in the IT industry is growing rapidly. As AI technology continues to evolve, IT professionals are increasingly taking advantage of its capabilities to automate tedious tasks, improve efficiency, and increase productivity. But what impact is AI having on the IT workforce? In this video, we explore the impact of AI on IT professionals, and discuss how they can leverage AI to stay ahead in the ever-changing IT landscape. We'll hear from a panel of experts in the field of AI, who will share their insights on how AI is being used in the IT industry and how it is impacting the job market. We'll also look at the strategies that IT professionals can use to make the most of AI technology, such as developing new skills and leveraging data-driven insights. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of ethical considerations when using AI in the IT industry. This video will provide IT professionals with an in-depth look at the impact of AI on their industry, and equip them with the knowledge and skills they need to stay ahead of the game. So, if you're a tech professional looking to stay ahead of the curve, this is a must-watch video. This video takes an in-depth look at the impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on IT professionals. It features a panel of experts in the field of AI who share their insights on how AI is being used in the IT industry, and how it is impacting the job market. They discuss strategies that IT professionals can use to make the most of AI technology, such as developing new skills and leveraging data-driven insights. The experts also discuss the importance of ethical considerations when using AI in the IT industry. The video provides IT professionals with a comprehensive understanding of the implications of AI in their industry. It will equip them with the knowledge and skills they need to stay ahead of the game and make the most of AI technology. By the end of the video, viewers will have a better understanding of the impact of AI on IT professionals and how they can leverage AI to stay ahead in the ever-changing IT landscape. The IT industry is undergoing a major transformation thanks to the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI. AI is revolutionizing the way IT professionals work, streamlining processes, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. AI is helping to automate many of the mundane and time-consuming tasks that IT professionals used to have to do manually. This has freed up time and allowed IT professionals to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. AI can also be used to diagnose problems and find solutions more quickly, leading to better outcomes for businesses. AI is also helping to reduce costs by eliminating the need for manual labor and reducing the amount of time required to complete tasks. All of these benefits are transforming the IT industry and helping to make it more efficient and cost-effective. Artificial intelligence, AI, is streamlining IT processes and making them more efficient. AI can be used to monitor systems, detect and diagnose problems, and provide solutions more quickly. This allows IT professionals to focus on more strategic tasks instead of having to spend time and resources on mundane, manual tasks. AI can also automate many of the repetitive tasks that IT professionals used to have to do by hand. This not only saves time and money, but also reduces the risk of human error. AI is also being used to analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and correlations, which can be used to improve processes and systems. All of these benefits are helping to streamline IT processes and make the IT industry more efficient. While artificial intelligence, AI, offers many benefits to the IT industry, there are also potential risks and challenges that come with it. AI algorithms can be complex and difficult to understand, which can lead to unexpected outcomes. This can be especially problematic if the algorithms are used to make decisions that affect people's lives. AI can also lead to job losses as many of the mundane tasks that IT professionals used to do can now be automated. This could lead to a decrease in the number of IT professionals needed in the industry. Finally, AI algorithms can be vulnerable to hacking and other malicious activities, which can lead to security breaches. It is important to be aware of these potential risks and challenges and to take steps to mitigate them. As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to evolve and become more integrated into the IT industry, it is important for IT professionals to prepare for the future. It is important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and to understand how it can be used to improve processes and systems. It is also important to understand the potential risks and challenges posed by AI and to take steps to mitigate them. Finally, IT professionals should be open to learning new skills and adapting to new technologies. This will ensure that they are well prepared for the future of AI in the IT industry. The potential of artificial intelligence, AI, to propel humanity forward is immense. As experts in the field, we have seen the dramatic impact AI can make in fields such as healthcare, transportation, and finance. AI is transforming the way we live and work, offering boundless opportunities for improving our lives. At the same time, there are concerns that AI may lead to job displacement, increased inequality, and even the emergence of a robot-controlled society. To understand the implications of AI, we asked a group of experts to weigh in on the impact of AI on our lives. Dr. Sarah Jones, a professor of computer science and AI at Stanford University, believes that the impact of AI will be felt in every area of our lives. AI is allowing us to automate tedious and mundane tasks, giving us more time and flexibility to focus on more meaningful work, says Dr. Jones. AI has the potential to significantly reduce costs and increase productivity, allowing businesses to be more competitive and agile. Additionally, AI can help us make more informed decisions by providing us with data-driven insights that can guide us in our problem solving. Dr. Mark Allen, a professor of robotics at the University of California, Berkeley, believes that AI can provide opportunities for more efficient and effective use of resources. AI can help us optimize processes and eliminate unnecessary steps, leading to greater efficiency. This could help businesses reduce costs and increase profitability, he says. However, Dr. Allen cautions that AI also has the potential to create economic inequality. The benefits of AI are not evenly distributed, he says. Those with access to the best AI technology will enjoy a competitive edge, while those without access will be left behind. This could lead to a widening of the economic divide and increased job displacement. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is important to consider the implications of its use in our lives. To ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by everyone, it is essential that we develop equitable policies and regulations that promote the responsible use of AI.